If you're an asset manager used to trading millions in markets every day, you may have thought that record keeping was somebody else's responsibility. You may have to think again. With me to talk about it is Sarah Hay, Head of Liquidity Strategy and Market Structure for Europe at UBS. Sarah, welcome.
Thank you.
So, why the big focus on this?
So I'd say globally there's a massive focus from our clients and regulators around transparency. And specifically in Europe we've got MiFID II approaching, which is really focused on transparency. Now,
if we take a look at why this may matter, we have a chart here. As we can see, the number of fines coming up from regulators it's rising. Do you expect to see more of something like this?
Well, I think the key point to make here is that MiFID II is not delineating between buy and sell side firms. It's merely talking about the concept of an investment firm. That means that for some of the transparency requirements, for example, post-trade reporting, there will be some situations where the buy side will be legally responsible in the future to do those post-trade reports. Now, we understand that the buy side can potentially delegate those trade reports, but they cannot delegate the legal responsibility. So we're having a lot of conversations with our clients to help them understand the process, to help them understand how we're positioning for this process. But also, we believe that there are a number of vendors, for example, BATS, Trade Echo, that may be developing solutions to enable the buy side to post-trade report through them. The last thing to remember is that if a buy side is trading with a firm who's a systematic internaliser, that systematic internaliser will always have to do that trade report.
Let's have a look at one aspect of the market where these rules may have an impact. We have another chart here. Explain to us a little bit about what would happen in this, the European off-exchange equity market.
Sure, so the chart here is really showing the trend of OTC reporting over time, and it's split between showing what has been real-time OTC reported and what has been delayed reported. Now, MiFID II is looking to minimise the amount of OTC trading in the market, and therefore my expectation would be that this number is likely to decrease going forward. And also risk deferrals are shortening, so where you're trading in the market, if you're on risk, there are situations where you have a period of time to offset your risk. That's a maximum of T+3 at the moment, and that's moving into end of day. So again, my expectation would be that this proportion of delayed OTC reporting is likely to decrease going forward.
So this trend with the blue is likely to squeeze down?
Yeah.
How long do people have to prepare for this?
So we've got less than 15 months, and as of the 1st of October, I think it's around 317 UK working days.
Wow. Sarah, thank you very much.
Thank you.